Hi, this is Babesolo in the house. I'm getting my feet done. I don't go to the shop. My toenails already been clipped. Ooh, happy feet. Looking pretty good. Let me see my toenails. Yeah, I like that. See that? They're cut pretty good. Yes, they are. And now she's cleaning my feet. It feels so good. Yes. This video is to show people if you got someone dear to you and your family that will help you to save money when you don't have to go to the shop, have them do your feet for you. Babesolo is a happy feet. Happy feet. Yes, she's cleaning my feet. She said I don't need them scrubbed. My skin is looking good. Oh, that feels so nice. She cleans between my toes. She cleans under my feet. Yes. I don't know if she's going to go back over the other feet because she did this one first. Yes, she did this one first already. But I think I should have her go back over the left feet. Yeah, the left feet. When you're in bed, you point your toes, you flex, and then you bring them back towards you. You flex, and you bring them back. It feels so good. Then you can twirl your feet one at a time. Twirl your feet around. Exercise your feet. Oh, she's going to do the other feet. Oh, thank you so much. I love the way it feels when the towel hits it. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, it's not over yet. It ain't just going to get washed. It's actually going to get massaged. Ha, ha, ha. Oh, happy day. I am grateful. I'm thankful to have a family member that would do this for me. My family loves me and I love them. We get along. My family and I, we get along. I got clothes on, see? I got my pants. But I'm under my blanket because I want to stay warm. It's still cold here. Yes, it is. The sun is shining. But I'm not going outside. I stay in more than I go out. When I do go out, I will take you guys with me. If you pay attention, Babesolo said, let's go browse with Babesolo. Or let's go shopping with Babesolo. Let's take a ride with Babesolo. Oh, that feels so nice. That feels so nice. I got sunshine on a cloudy day. And when it's cold outside, it feels like the month of May. You know why I say it feel like the month of May? Because May is supposed to be a nice, soothing time of the year. Ooh, guess what? I'm doing watch hours over there. Yes, I am. I'm doing watch hours. I'm doing it over here, too, on the desktop. Yeah, I am going to do it on the weekend. Ooh, here comes the massage. Ooh, look at that. That's going to feel good. Oh, yeah. I like it. It feels so nice. I don't go to the shop. I don't get my nails done or my toes done at the shop. Nope. My family does my feet and stuff for me. No one does my nails. They just automatically grow on their own. Oh, that feels so good. She's rubbing my feet with Vaseline. Vaseline. It keeps your feet from being dry and scaly, and it keeps the skin soft and moist. Yes. That feels so good. This is Vaseline. Petroleum jelly to some people, but it's still Vaseline. Can you hold the container up so they can see that it's Vaseline? It has to be down below where my feet is. Down furthermore. There it is, people. That is what I'm being put on my feet. Petroleum jelly. That's Vaseline. I call it Vaseline, but it's petroleum jelly, and it's a big container. Okay, thank you. Oh, look how nice my feet look. Oh, yeah. This is so nice. Oh, happy day. For those that don't know Babesolo, I have plenty of time to do things I like to do. I'm waiting on the weather to get better so I can plant flowers in my yard. I have 5 different flowers I need to plant because I have mold problem. I don't know if anybody know what a mole is. There's some ugly creatures live under the ground. They're trying to tear up my beautiful lawn. Oh, that looks good. Am I done?
Yes.
All right, I'm done. My feet is finished. Happy feet. Thank you guys for watching Babesolo in the house.